Okay, today we're going to do a cabin air filter replacement on a 2005 Honda Integra. This model runs from 2001 through to about 2007, and it also the same cabin filter on the early model CRV of the same year. The cabin air filter is located behind the glove box, and on these early Hondas you just push these little stops in and let them release, and they just come out like so. They just push in like that. So one on either side, and that releases the glove box. So again, just push it in. That allows the glove box to drop down. Your cabin air filters, there's two of them, is located behind this cover. So just lever up and slide take the cover off. Gently pull out your first of the two cabin filters. Try not to allow any leaves or anything to fall into the fan below, and then you pull out your old filter out of the tray. And on a lot of these early model Hondas, they have a piece of plastic in here, which we advise you taking out when you put the cabin filter in. It only restricts the airflow, so as long as you've got a cabin filter in there, they're not necessary. And the second filter, you just slide it across and pull it out. Same. So take the filter out of the tray. Try to give the tray a good clean out. Reinstall your cabin air filter with the red acrylic base on the bottom. So, push your first one in. Make sure it locates. Move it to the left. Install your second cabin filter in the tray. Red acrylic base on the bottom. Slide your filter in next to the original one. There's one there and one there. Reinstall your cover. You've got little tabs underneath the top first, until it clicks. Then reinstall your glove box. Put the little stoppers in first.